Morning, dears. Yesterday I have sent you PDF up to question number 8. Look at question number 9. It says in a given triangle, calculate theta if angle B is 90, AB is 20 and AC is 40 centimeter. There is a triangle given to the next page where angle B is 90 degree, this is 20 centimeter, this is 40 centimeter and this is angle is theta, angle C is theta. In triangle ABC, angle B 90 degree, angle C theta, AB 20 centimeter and AC 40 centimeter. Okay, so sin theta is equal to AB by AC we can write, though we have given the value of AB and AC, so we will be representing with sin theta, or sin theta is equal to 20 centimeter by 40 centimeter, or it gives you 1 by 2. Now sin theta is equal to sin 30 degree, may I write, because 1 by 2 is equal to sin 30, or sin is cancelled, the value of theta is 30 degree. It was question number 9. Just we need to replace the value with the angle, standard angle. So sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Is it? Question number 10. It says without using the tables, solve each of the following triangle ABC, right angled at C. Now triangle ABC is right angled at C. 10:1. There is a triangle ABC, right angle at C. Now we know the angle opposite to the vertex, the side opposite to the vertex is known as small. So opposite to B, this side will be represented by B. Small, opposite to vertex is small c, and opposite to vertex A, small a. Now here it says angle A is 30 degree as C is 40. Is it? Now you need to calculate without using the table, solve each of the following triangles ABC. Now what are the things not given? These two sides are not given and this angle is not given. We need to calculate this. Is it? Now first of all, sin 30 degree is equal to, we can write BC perpendicular by AB, or sin 30's value is 1 by 2. BC is equal to A by 40, or A is equal to 40 by 2, or A is equal to 20. Now value of A we got 20. Okay. Now you have base and hypotenuse. Cos 30 degree is equal to AC by AB, or cos 30's value is root 3 by 2 is equal to AC, I do not know, that is B, and AB is 40, or B is equal to 40 root 3 by 2, 20, or B is equal to 20 root 3, or B is equal to 20 into 1.732, or it gives you 34.64. Now angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree plus 30 degree. So 60 degree. We got all the sides, that is A and B, and we got the angle which is left. It was question number 10. Question number 11, it says 4 sin square theta is minus 1 is equal to 0. If angle theta is less than 90, find the value of theta, hence the value of cos square theta and sin square theta. Question number 11. Is given 4 sin square theta minus 1 is equal to 0, or 4 sine squared theta is equal to 1, or sine squared theta is equal to 1 by 4, or sine theta is equal to under root 1 by 4, or sine theta is equal to 1 by 2, or sine theta is equal to sine 30. So value of theta is 30 degree. Hence cos squared theta plus tan squared theta. So cos squared 30 degree plus tan squared 30 degree. Cos 30 degrees value is root 3 by 2 whole square. Tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3 whole square, or 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3. (13 by 12). It was question number 11. Let us see number 12. It says sin theta is equal to cos theta, or we can write it sin theta is equal to cos theta into 1, or sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1, or tan theta is equal to 1, or tan theta is equal to tan 45 degree, or theta is equal to 45 degree. The value of theta we found. Now they have asked you 2 into tan square theta tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 1. So it will be 2 tan square 45 degree plus sin square 45 degree minus 1. Is it? So tan 45's value is 1, 2 into 1 square plus sin 45's value is 1 by root 2 whole square minus 1, or 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. LCM is 2, 4 plus 1 minus 2, or 3 by 2. The value is 3 by 2, or 1.5. It was question number 12. Similarly, you need to solve the leftover questions 13, 14, 15. Now question number 17, you see, it says in a rectangle ABCD, AB is 20 centimeter, BAC is 60 degree. Calculate side BC and diagonal AC and BD. Question number 17. There is a rectangle A, B, C, D. AC is a diagonal. Now it says AB is 20 centimeter, BAC is 60 degree. They have asked calculate side BC and the diagonal AC and BD. So first of all, we'll find tan 60 degree is equal to BC by AB. Tan 60 root 3 is equal to BC by AB is 20, or BC is equal to 20 root 3 centimeter. Again, cos 60 degree is equal to BAB by AC. Cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2. is equal to AB is 20 by AC, or AC is equal to 40 centimeter. We need to find this only. Now in a rectangle, diagonals are same. We know diagonals of a rectangle are equal. So AC is equal to BD is equal to 40 centimeter. Question number 17. Question number 19, it says an electric pole is 10 meter high. A steel wire tied to top of the pole is affixed at a point to the ground. Keep the pole upright. If the steel wire makes an angle of 45 degree with the horizontal through the foot of the pole, find the length of steel wire. Number 19, already they have given the figure. Question number 19. There is an electric pole (10 meter), steel wire 45 degree, 90 degree. Now I need to find the length of steel wire. Length of steel wire. Length of pole is 10 meter. So we can write it. I have perpendicular, I need hypotenuse. Sine 45 degree is equal to BC by AC. Is it, my dear? Sine 45 1 by root 2. BC is 10 by AC. Or AC is equal to 10 root 2 meter, or AC is equal to 10 into 1.41 meter, or 14.1 meter is the length of steel wire. Question number 19. Number 21. The string of kite is 150 meter long and makes an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal. Find the height of kite from the ground. Now in number 21, just example, this is a kite here. This is a kite here, and this makes angle of 60 degree. Is it? (21). 150 meter. Let BC is the height of kite, and AC is equal to length of string. So therefore I have angle and hypotenuse. I need perpendicular. So may I write it sine 60 degree is equal to BC by AC, or the value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2 is equal to BC. I do not know BC. AC is 150, or BC is equal to 150 into root 3 meter by 2, or BC is equal to 275 root 3 meter, or BC is equal to 75 into 1.73 is given, and it gives you 129.75 meter or 129.8 meter approx. With this, we have completed exercise 19C. Tomorrow we'll be doing exercise 19D. If there is any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Thank you, dears.